Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar kalian semua teman-teman? Kali ini aku udah ngupload video baru lagi teman-teman. Jadi buat kalian yang punya modal kecil tapi mau usaha, nggak tahu mau buat usaha apa, mungkin video ini cocok buat kalian yang pengen buat usaha. Ini adalah cara buat mie Indomie pakai bumbu Aceh teman-teman. Jadi gimana cara masaknya, kalian tonton terus sampai videonya selesai. Dan jangan lupa, ya seperti biasa, like and subscribe. Apa yang kalian tidak mengerti, komen di kolom bawah. Oke teman-teman.
Letting loose, is that your head down? Yeah, you're in the mood. Oh, to come unwind. There's something in the air, something different about that smile you're wearing, girl. Yeah, what is it? When I think I know what's going on behind them brown eyes, you're going through that little something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it, girl. I can't believe that you are mine. A little reckless at the right time. Your inhibitions, you set them all aside. I could get used to you taking my breath away, as long as you got more than secrets coming my way. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. Something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and like to see a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. Letting loose, is that your head down? Yeah, you're in the mood. Oh, to come unwind. There's something in the air, something different about that smile you're wearing, girl. Yeah, what is it? When I think I know what's going on behind them brown eyes, you're going through that little something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it, girl. I can't believe that you were mine. A little reckless at the right time. Your inhibitions, you set them all aside. I could get used to you taking my breath away, as long as you got more than secrets coming my way. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. When I think I know what's going on behind them brown eyes, you go and do that little something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and like to see a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. No, no, ain't seen this side of you before. Whoa, 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 letting loose, is that your head down? Yeah, you're in the mood. Oh, to come unwind. There's something in the air, something different about that smile you're wearing, girl. Yeah, what is it? When I think I know what's going on behind them brown eyes, you go and do that little something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it, girl. I can't believe that you were mine. A little reckless at the right time. Your inhibitions, you set them all aside. I could get used to you taking my breath away, as long as you got more than secrets coming my way. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it, and I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before.
teman-teman, sampai di sini dulu video hari ini. Ya, apa yang kalian tidak tahu, tulis komentar kalian di kolom bawah ini. Apalagi yang harus saya buat, nah, dan apa yang pengen kalian tanyakan di bawah ini. Nanti saya akan menjawab. Oke teman-teman, sampai jumpa lagi.